Okay, now let us discuss about the case study problem in telehealth adoption by Veteran Health Administration. This case study problem is related to the telehealth technology subject. Before going on to the problem, case study problem, let us see what is telehealth actually. Telehealth is nothing but the using of electronic information and telecommunication technologies to support long distance clinical healthcare, patient and professional health related education, public health and health administration. That is probably in places where in remote places, suppose if in like hill stations and all, if the patients are not able to get health advices in a particular specialized area, but from experts, this telehealth technology can be utilized there. It can also be called as telehealth nursing and telenursing. So, while implementing a telehealth technology in a particular location, what are the problems will occur in implementing this telehealth technology? Let us discuss about that. Nursing education. Oh, that is one major problem. Another one is program development involves multidisciplinary team-based approach. Then barriers to patient participation need to be low, and telehealth data to empower all stakeholders. We'll see discuss one by one. That is in implementing this telehealth in a particular remote location, mainly the nursing education plays a major role, because the nurses are actually the people. I mean, nurses are the actual person in person to the patient. They'll be nearby to the patient. Whereas if a patient gets some doubt in some health problems during telehealth technology, the nurses will be available readily in the hospital to give those advices, whereas the expert doctors may not be available at that particular time. So the nursing education is very much important in implementing this telehealth technology. Another one is the program development involves multidisciplinary team-based approach. To implement this telehealth technology in a particular area, it requires experts from different disciplines, multidisciplinary experts are required. That is, communication experts are required, then computer persons, and also the persons who are expert in installing the equipments related to this telehealth technology. All these people are required. So that is one problem which is occurring. And another one is the in telehealth technology, the patients must have confidence in taking up this telehealth services. They should be they should have confidence, that is, even if the doctors are not available, we can take the health advices from through this telehealth technology. So like that, they should actively participate to take this telehealth technology. That is one thing. And last one is this telehealth technology empowers all stakeholders like patients, nurses, and all persons. That is, in nursing education, why the nurses must be aware of telehealth technology is the reason is they are the person who can explain to the patients by getting clarification from the doctors through video conferencing. They can get they can discuss, they can clarify the patient's doubt through video conferencing to the doctors, and they will provide the necessary health tips to the patients. So the nurses must be aware of all those technologies. So this technology uses remote monitoring, video conferencing, and much more to extend the reach of nurses and improve care. And also the nurses will be educating the patients not only in hospitals, but they may also through this telehealth technology, they may educate the while implementing this telehealth in prisons, in schools, and so on all, the nurses are the persons who are available there. How to say, they will be available nearby the patients. So they must be aware of this technology well. Telehealth nurses may act as telepresenters, communicating with physicians or other providers through video conferencing from a patient's bedside. A home care telehealth nurse has the ability to see many more patients through virtual visit. Using a wide range of digital and distance technologies, Telehealth nurses enable the patients in remote locations to connect with specialized care and resources typically available only near major academic medical centers. So even in places, remote places where the facilities are not that much good, through this telehealth technology, the patients can be given necessary health treatments, and they can get all the treatments through this telehealth technology. The another one is, as I said earlier, to implement this telehealth technology, several multidisciplinary people, experts are required, who are well versed in installing the equipments. They should install the equipment in hospitals, and wherever this telehealth technology is implemented, the equipments need to be installed. So the persons who are expert in that, they are needed, and also communication persons are needed, and electrical persons are required. So the persons who are experts in various fields are required for this. Another one is this VHA organization. VHA is nothing but Veteran Health Administration. They are providing telehealth services in many places. They have provided more than 3 lakh services they have provided all over the world, and that is this VHA. What's the problem they are facing is to bring the to take the patient should take up this telehealth technology with confidence, without having any doubt. They should come forward to take this telehealth technology services. They should take this telehealth services with confidence. So this can be done only if the patient is participating to take up the telehealth services without any doubt. With 100% confidence, they should approach hospitals, nearby hospitals. So what are the means to make the patients to come to take up this telehealth services? That is one way is they announced they waived the co-payments. VHA has announced that it will waive co-payments for patients receiving its telehealth services. So if they take up telehealth services, their fee, the hospital charges can be waived. So that is one method VHA has adopted to bring the patients to the hospital to take up the telehealth services. Telehealth data can empower all stakeholders. That is, not only patients, nurses, everyone, all the stakeholders are empowered with telehealth data due to telehealth technology. Telehealth data can have a positive impact on patient care when placed in the hands of motivated clinicians, that is doctors and patients. The real-time transmission of monitoring data, for example, allows the nurses to provide patients with just-in-time care and education. The use of personal health data can help educate and motivate patients to make necessary lifestyle changes and realize better clinical outcomes. So if the patients are empowered with telehealth data, they can they need not worry about the health problems, whatever they are having. And even in remote places and all, they need not worry for the specialized doctors and all. They are not available at any time, like that and all. They need not worry. Through this telehealth technology, they can get proper health advices, and they can lead a successful life. Thank you.